Assalamualaikum everyone. Hari ini saya nak share cara saya buat our washing machine and dryer pedestal. Basically, saya beli Metod cabinet dari Ikea yang untuk fridge or freezer top. This one tinggi 40 cm sahaja dan it is the perfect height for the pedestal. Saya beli juga this pull out shelf supaya saya ada somewhere to put the basket untuk unload dan load the machines. Saya follow je the manual untuk install these two. Make sure korang nail the backing piece into the cabinet juga. This part saya terlupa dan masa run the machine for the first time memang teruk the sway of the cabinet. Bila the backing piece tu is nailed in, baru the overall cabinet is very stable. Okay, kalau mesin korang jenis tak berat sangat, boleh pakai je di stainless steel leg. Tapi sebab mesin kami sangat berat, saya decide untuk pasang heavy duty casters instead. This way, kalau kami perlu access the machine untuk fix atau service, boleh slide out je the machine sekali dengan the cabinet. For the step by step macam mana saya pasang the casters, saya terpaksa recycle video time saya buat our tool cabinet sebab saya terlupa nak ambil video time saya install the casters on these cabinets. Untuk secure the casters, saya pakai nut and bolts, jadi kena drill through the cabinet all the way through dan boleh insert the bolt and nuts and tighten by hand je dulu. This step is to just help me bila nak flip the cabinet upright nanti. Repeat for all 4 casters. 2 casters yang dekat depan saya pasang yang boleh lock dan 2 yang belakang saya pasang yang boleh swivel 360 degrees. Dalam video ni, saya pasang casters yang boleh gerak depan dan belakang sahaja. And it's hard to maneuver kalau pasang casters jenis ni. Bila pasang yang 360 degrees punya, jauh lagi senang nak maneuver the cabinets. Now dah boleh flip the cabinets upright dan saya pakai this wrench tool untuk tighten all the nuts and bolts. This tool memang lifesaver bila deal with lots and lots of nuts and bolts. Tighten all and that's it for the casters. One cool feature about the utrusta pull-out shelf ni is that dia ada this auto lock feature. Jadi bila the shelf is in use, dia takkan accidentally slide in. Untuk release, just tekan this plastic piece and now dah boleh slide in the shelf. First cabinet yang saya slide in is for the dryer. For this part, memang saya kena tunggu Aizat sebab nak kena angkat all the machines into place. At this point, we took off all the vents, hose and plugs first before moving the machines onto the cabinets. Here, kami kena release juga the dryer from the washing machine stacking kit. Our game plan was to put the dryer on the cabinet first, pull out the washing machine untuk make space for the cabinet. Tapi last kami angkat dulu the washing machine onto the cabinet, lepas tu baru slide both into place. Washing machine tu berat gila-gila, okay? Hampir tak terangkat between the both of us. I would recommend doing this with 3 people or at least 2 very strong guys. Don't say I didn't warn you. Once dah angkat semua machines and push into place, I notice yang kita orang punya original dryer air hose yang 1.5 meter long tak cukup panjang untuk sampai the vent yang on the wall. So, saya order a new one yang 2.5 meters and that was more than long enough for this setup. And it's long enough untuk kami pull out the dryer sahaja kalau perlu without having to move the washing machine too. Just an FYI, dryer punya air hose ni kena replace every couple of years sebab bila dia dah banyak lint in the hose, your clothes will not dry properly. Korang boleh nampak in this video how much space dekat belakang the cabinets tu. For our machines, memang tak boleh nak push the cabinets all the way to the wall because of the locations of the hoses on both machines and how dia criss-cross. Jadi, for ours memang kena bagi clearance banyak sikit at the back. Jadi, korang kena consider this, okay, if nak buat these pedestals. Once both machines dah in place, all the hoses and plugs dah sambung balik, boleh lock the front casters. Bila lock, it's quite sturdy. Lepas tu, saya secure both cabinets to each other dengan screw. Repeat on at least 4 places. For the washing machine punya cabinet, kami add on juga additional brackets since the machine is very heavy. If korang pasang terus a countertop over this cabinets, boleh skip je this step. Tapi, since saya tak boleh decide lagi if nak go for a stone top atau kayu for this laundry room, the brackets will hold us over till then. And that's it. All done. The most important thing bila nak buat a pedestal for the washing machine and dryer is that the cabinet sendiri kena very steady sebab nak handle the vibration from both machines. The dryer not so much but more for the washing machine. I don't recommend this method untuk machines yang jenis vibrate and move a lot when placed directly on the floor. Kita orang punya memang jenis tak vibrate sangat and the loudest pun bila the washing machine nak go into and out of the spin cycle. Itu pun only for a few seconds. Boleh check out the video of the washing machine in use in my previous post. For me, raising both the washing machine and the dryer dah jadi essential sebab my back hasn't been kind to me in the past few years. And for our case, jadi complicated sikit sebab the sheer weight of the washing machine. But saya dah test the setup for 3 weeks and both the cabinets and machines are doing okay. They are still structurally good and no signs of deterioration or wear and tear. Seperti biasa, I will share more in the future if kami decide untuk upgrade or change any parts of the pedestal. For more info on everything I used and bought to make the pedestal, boleh check out my caption. Thanks for watching everyone. Till next time.